Hey guys, Thomas Craig back. Sorry, video I done yesterday, it played up on me and it's just mucking up. So, as I was saying on my last video, I ended up doing new terminals. So, they're the new terminals. I got these things here because it just had the old shitty terminals on it. Like, they're alright, they work. They get me out there fishing, but it was time to upgrade to something a bit up to date. So that's them there. I think these were I think these were like $7 and you get a 2-pack. Here. So they're right there. It just says Auto Pack Champion, 2 solder plugs, and the VIN number is H2O5BL50 by 10mm. That's all they look like. So they just got a nice big opening, almost fit my pinky in there. I think they were about $7. I think they were about $7. So I got this battery charging, because both batteries are flat, dead flat. I've also got another battery charging.